14 over 5. So how do we do this? The way we do this is we think about how many times does 5 go into 14. After all, this is just a division problem. It's the same as doing this. So how many times does 5 go into 14? It goes in 2 times. 2 times 5 is 10. And then we have a remainder of 4. So what does this have to do with anything? Well, this is how we convert it into a mixed number. That 2 is the whole number, and then that 4 is what stays in the fraction zone. And the denominator is just what the denominator was at the beginning, or in this case, what the divisor was. That's how you convert a mixed number. The other way is you think about it, you can pull, how many 5s can you pull out of 14? You can pull 1 and 2, which is a total of 10. So that's where we get the 2 from. And then when we pull 10 out, we've got 4 left, which is what we've got up here. So that's another shortcut. You don't have to do long division every time. You can shortcut it that way. So this becomes 2 and 4/5. Rewrite 16 over 7 as a mixed number. How many 7s can we pull out of 16? We can pull out 1 and 2, which is 14. So we can pull 14 out. 14 out of 16, what's left? Well, we've got 2 left. 2 out of what? That original fraction. Original denominator, 7. So this is 2, oops. 2 and 2 7ths. Last one, 31 over 9. How many 9s can we pull out of 31? Maybe a little tougher. We can pull 3 out, right? Because 3 times 9 is 27. So we can pull out 3, which is pulling 27 out of 31, leaving 4. So it's 3 and 4/9. Again, if we wanted to do the division, it'd be 31 divided by 9. 9 goes into 31, like I said, 3 times. 3 times 9 is 27, with a remainder of 4, which means the mixed number is 3 with a remainder 4 over this divisor of 9.